switch birth control. You talk to Mink again?
It's Carlo. He's gonna testify.
Onion rings.
Best of the state, as far as I'm concerned.
Work today.
All I'm doing is getting coffee and placing English phone calls.
You may not realize it, but you are making contacts.
It's an entry-level job. So buck up.
Right. Focus on the good times.
Don't be sarcastic.
Isn't that what you said one time? Try and remember the times that were good?
I did?
Yeah.
Well, it's true, I guess. Went ahead and ordered something for the table.
Don't stop believing.